much. Gonna be the one they watch. Dancing on the street, moving to the beat. Ayo, they be looking at us. Ayo, we'll be making them blush. Ayo,
Hey, Fly, take a
they be
brownie.
looking at us. Ayo, they be looking at us.
You good to go?
See you on the flip side.
Ready with me? Get ready with me.
Motors ready?
We can go, we can shine. Got the free, I'm feeling fine. We can move, we can shake. Right side, we turn this place. Get ready with me. So snatch, we got that confidence, unmatched. So where you at? Ayo, they be looking at us. Ayo, we'll be making them blush. Ayo,
Ready? Let's take a photo.
looking at us. They be looking at us. 1, 2, 3. Get ready with me. Get ready with me.
Ready to roll?
We can go, we can shine. Got that free, I'm feeling fine. We can move, we can shake. Right side up, we
If this falls down in that hole back there, it's gonna be a wild ride.
ready, get ready. Get ready, ready with me. Get ready, get ready. Get ready with me.
Gimbal camera that puts pro-grade stability and powerful imaging right in the palm of your hand. Introducing DJI Osmo Pocket 3. With an upgraded 1-inch sensor, any scene becomes effortlessly cinematic. It's perfect for when you want to live in the moment a little longer and savor every second. Pocket 3 features an advanced microphone system that gives you immersive sound recording.
It's a time to feel alive.
Be ready wherever inspiration strikes. With a quick and easy flip, get everything in frame. Directly connect a pair of DJI Mic 2s to capture crystal clear audio.
逛街啦，买礼物啦！
Focus more on what you enjoy. With a take it anywhere design, Pocket 3 gives anyone the power to create. Well, almost anyone. It can fast charge from 0 to 80% in just 16 minutes. So you can stay ready for the shots that matter most. Show off your best dance moves with a 3-axis gimbal that keeps your shots stable and ultra smooth. Get unique angles with features like Spin Shot. A new face auto detect feature makes tracking effortless, letting you focus less on the camera and more on her. An additional battery handle ensures you'll have plenty of time to record it all. Even after the sun sets, the creating doesn't stop. Osmo Pocket 3 is made for any moving moment.
Vlog camera ZV-1 Mark II. ZV-1 Mark II is designed for all vloggers. You will never miss your special moment. fits a variety of vlog styles and is easy to use in every scene. Let's capture your life and emotions wider. Carry it every day so you can take more moments. .4K images have breathtaking detail, even in lower light. Capture a selfie more easily with vari-angle, screen, and touch control. With the fast hybrid autofocus, the ZV-1 Mark II maintains sharp focus. When the camera recognizes the eyes, the real-time eye autofocus will continue to track the eyes. The face priority auto exposure keeps the face bright, even in backlight or low light. There is the soft skin effect to smoothen skin, which is adjustable from 4 levels. Cinematic vlog settings enables impressive look and feel with cinematic aspect. Just choose the desired finish from 5 looks and 4 moods. A newly developed intelligent 3-capsule mic automatically switches the direction of the built-in microphone in auto mode.
Hey!
Active mode stabilizes footages smoother when shooting while moving. Impressive slow motion expression, up to 5 times slower speed. S-Log3 Gamma Curve and S-Gamut3.Cine color mode allow creative grading. Its compactness and high image quality make the ZV-1 Mark II ideal for multi-camera creation with Alpha series cameras. Simply connect the camera to smartphone with the USB cable sold separately to use it as webcam. Transfer your recorded videos to a smartphone over Wi-Fi through the mobile application. From packaging to materials used for the camera and supplied windscreen, we've launched several initiatives to reduce our environment footprint. Vlog camera ZV-1 Mark II.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're both ready.
Awesome.
All right, let's go. Wow, what a perfect weather.
Under the rug. Oh.
Hi. Hi, I'm coming.
Yeah.
I hope this looks good.
Don't look okay in this lighting. Hey, this looks so yummy. Hi, everybody, in this beautiful place.
I want to record my walking routine. All right, guys. Nice breeze today.
This is super easy to stream with.
Okay. Oh, I did it.
I'm trying to do my best, but I can't.
Always stay photogenic. Coming for shopping. What do you think?
I want to try using this with my game. Sound light? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Yeah!